Weight loss is a common goal for many, driven by the desire for improved health, increased energy levels, and enhanced self-esteem. One of the most effective and sustainable ways to achieve weight loss is through regular exercise. Daily workouts play a crucial role in this journey, offering numerous benefits beyond just shedding pounds. Here is an in-depth look at why daily exercise is essential for weight loss. 1. Caloric burn and metabolic boost. Daily workouts help create a caloric deficit, which is fundamental for weight loss. When you burn more calories than you consume, your body starts to use stored fat for energy, leading to weight reduction. Exercise increases your metabolic rate not just during the activity but also afterward, in a phenomenon known as the afterburn effect or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. This means that your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate even after you have finished working out. Number 2. Muscle preservation and building. Incorporating both aerobic and anaerobic exercise into your daily routine helps maintain and build muscle mass. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest compared to fat tissue, thereby increasing your basal metabolic rate. Strength training in particular helps in preserving lean muscle mass, which often lasts during weight loss. More muscle mass means a more efficient metabolism, aiding in quicker and more sustainable weight loss. Number 3. Improved insulin sensitivity. Regular physical activity enhances insulin sensitivity. Improved insulin sensitivity means your cells can better use glucose for energy, reducing blood sugar levels and decreasing fat storage. This is particularly important for preventing and managing conditions like type 2 diabetes, which are often associated with obesity. Number 4. Enhanced fat oxidation. Daily exercise enhances your body's ability to oxidize fat. During prolonged periods of low to moderate intensity exercise, your body becomes more efficient at utilizing fat as a fuel source. This means you are not only burning calories during a workout but also specifically targeting fat stores. Number 5. Appetite regulation. Regular physical activity can help regulate appetite. While high-intensity exercise might temporarily suppress appetite, consistent exercise over time has been shown to help balance hunger hormones such as ghrelin and leptin. This helps you avoid overeating and stick to your dietary goals more effectively. Number 6. Psychological benefits. The psychological benefits of daily exercise are equally significant. Regular workouts can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, all of which can contribute to emotional eating and weight gain. Exercise promotes the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, which can improve your overall mental health and motivate you to stay committed to your weight loss goals. Number 7. Better sleep. Regular physical activity can lead to better sleep quality, which is crucial for weight loss. Poor sleep can disrupt the balance of hunger-regulating hormones, leading to increased appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods. By improving sleep patterns, daily exercise helps in maintaining hormonal balance and controlling weight. Number 8. Increased energy. Engaging in daily workouts can boost your energy levels. While it might seem counterintuitive, expending energy through exercise actually increases overall stamina and reduce fatigue. This increased energy can make it easier to stay active throughout the day, further enhancing your calorie burning efforts. Number 9. Structured routine. A daily workout routine helps establish a structured lifestyle. Consistency is key in weight loss, and having a set time for exercise every day can help you build healthy habits that contribute to long-term weight management. It also reduces the likelihood of skipping workouts, which can be a common pitfall in weight loss journeys. Number 10. Long-term sustainability. Weight loss is not just about reaching a target weight but maintaining it. Regular exercise fosters long-term sustainability by ingraining physical activity into your daily life. This not only helps in keeping the weight off but also improves overall health and longevity. So, in conclusion, daily workouts are a cornerstone of effective and sustainable weight loss. They offer a multitude of benefits that go beyond simply burning calories, from boosting metabolism and preserving muscle mass to enhancing mental health and regulating appetite. Daily exercise plays a pivotal role in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. By making physical activity a regular part of your life, you set yourself up for success in your weight loss journey and overall well being.